right, y'all, this is it, man. This is the last, it's not the last video, it's the last video of the setup where we basically pick the product from ClickBank, set it up over on Google Ads, and then run a campaign live for 4 days and go over the results and see if we can make some sales from it. So we already picked the offer. We made the landing page for it. We came up with our ad copy. We set up tracking. Actually, I'm glad I'm making this video because I actually left out one last part of the tracking that I'm gonna go over probably at the start. Yeah, I'm gonna probably go over at the start of this video before we actually go to Google Ads and set it all up. One key part that I missed in the last video that I forgot. That's just my fault. But yeah, man, this video is basically gonna take everything from the last 5 to 6 videos and just import it over on Google Ads and publish the campaign so we can go over our results within the next 4 days and hopefully make some sales from this. So yeah, man, first things first, where I left off at was building out the campaign URL. So I was confused. If y'all noticed at the end of the last video, I was kind of confused. I'm like, man, I'm missing one part. I couldn't figure out what it was, but this is what it was. I had to build out the URL that we're gonna use for our Google Ads. So what we need to do is take the landing page URL that we created, copy that link, enter the URL that we promote. If you notice in the last video, I already integrated ClickMagic and ClickBank, so when the sales occur, it'll track properly. And then I added the pixel code onto our landing page in the last video, so that way ClickMagic can know which keywords and all that other stuff. All that stuff will make sense, once the campaign is running and everything. So right here, just enter our campaign, not our campaign, but our landing page URL right here, and then source, we can just name this Google, since we're doing Google Ads. Medium, it's gonna be search. You can do search or display, whatever you want to title it. Campaign name, we can name this piano for all. And then right here, terms, this right here is where I like to put in the tracking parameters. If y'all noticed in the last video, I was talking about parameters that I said I was going to talk about in this video. So right here, Google Ads, you can track, the campaign ID, the ad group ID, all that stuff. It's not that many, but it's enough to get the ball rolling. The one I'm looking for is, where is it? I definitely want it, oh, right here. Keyword and creative. I want to know which ad got me the sale, and I want to know which keyword gave me the sale, if any. So what I want to do is copy creative, paste it in. All right, they ain't letting me paste, so I got to type it in myself. Creative dash bracket or whatever keyword. I think that's how it's set up. Let me go back. Yep, so keyword. Okay, boom. So now with this link right here, where is it? Oh, right here. This is the link that we're going to use over on Google Ads. So when they ask us for the final URL, this is going to be the link that we use. So that way we can track which creative, which is the ad, which ad got us to sell, and which keyword got us to sell. All that good stuff. So what I want to do is copy that link and put it inside our Google Ads file. We actually can X out of ClickMagic, but let me just test out the link in a new window just to make sure it's working. And boom, it takes us to our landing page, blah, blah, blah. And as you can see at the bottom left, if you're paying attention, you can see TID equals CMC, and then they got a set of numbers. That's how I know I set it up properly. And if I click that link, it should take us straight to the offer. Voila. Then if we go to the order today, they take us to the order page and click on add to cart. Let me X out of here. As you can notice at the bottom right here, it says affiliate equals Big Jalen, which is my account nickname. Then they got ClickMagic campaign with a set of numbers. So that's how I know I set it up properly, and we can basically set up the campaign over on Google Ads. So I'm mad I left out this step, or that last step, which is the campaign URL builder in the last video, but I mentioned in this video, and if you've been following along with the training, all this will start to make sense now. So now that we got that out the way, I actually want to put that right here, final URL. Just paste in that link, so we're gonna need this later. We bold this. I can pretty much X out of ClickMagic. I can X out the landing page and ClickFunnels. I can X out of this part. I can X out of here. And basically, let's go set up the campaign over on Google Ads. This is my favorite part because it's literally just copy and paste. We already got the keywords. We already got the ads. We got the URL. It's literally just like a fly-through type of part. So we should be done with this in the next few minutes. I can't wait to go over the results over the next few days just to see if we can get some sales out of this. So let me click on create new campaign. Let's do it. Oh, I'm in the wrong account. I'm tweaking. Let me see. Where's my other account? So, not that one. This one. Let this load up. Okay, I gotta enter my password. Don't need y'all knowing. Alright, good. They don't show it. Let me log in real quick. Let's let it load up. I'm actually running a max bounty campaign as we speak. I'm waiting on those results to come in. So, new campaign. So let it load up. Create a campaign without a go to guidance. Search. Website visits. We put our landing page URL. So let's copy this link. Paste it in there. Click on continue. Campaign name PFA. I want to take it off of the display network. Don't need to go there. Now countries. I don't think they gave us like the countries that's most popular for this. So I'm just go with United States. Yeah, I'm just go with United States. English already selected. Budget. I think $20 would be cool. So we're gonna spend a total of $80. See if we can make a sale using this. Set a maximum cost per click. I don't want to spend no more than really. Let me just put $2. I don't care. If we start to get too many clicks past $2, then I'm just knock it down to $1 or like $1.50 or whatever. So I'm gonna just start it at $2. Or you know what? I'll let them do it. I know we don't do this, but I'm gonna let Google get us the maximum amount of clicks for our budget. And okay, so we good. Save and continue. Go from here. Now we're gonna need this note file probably right now. Okay, wait. Here we go. How they already got our keywords? That's crazy. Shoot. We could just take these keywords right here and run with it. So let's see. So with those keyword selections right there, with a $20 budget, it estimated, okay, we're gonna get 70 clicks per day at an average cost per click of 28 cents. That's perfect. Ad group name, we just name it bulk, broad, or piano. Oops, I spelled piano. Piano. I can just go with those keywords, or I can just copy and paste all of my keywords I already did. I don't know. I might just leave it like that. Oh, that's cool. It's the same thing, really. Let's see. Save and continue. All right, now right here is where we input our ads. Now right here, final URL. That's what we just made using ClickMagick. Right here. This is the link that we're gonna use, so all the tracking is set up properly. Now the headline, we already made it. World's #1 piano lessons. Maybe because it's too long. And right here, paste that in there. Learning just 24 hours. Let's see. Text 1. Okay. Paste that in there. All right, perfect. Hey, URL options. We don't need to mess with this. I think that's cool. The world's #1 piano lessons. Learning just 24 hours. I hope they don't make us add a headline 3 because I'm just put something simple if they do. Okay, boom, perfect. All right, so that's ad #1 already out the way. We can underline and bold it. We already did that one. Let's see, ad #2. Anyone can learn piano or keyboard. Let's see if this is good enough. Nope, we overdid it by 8 characters. Now anyone can learn. Let me see if we just copy this part, paste that in there. Piano or keyboard. All right, so it'll feel like this. I don't think this ad is gonna do good, and besides, we don't even have enough room for it. So now anyone can learn piano. Let's see. Let me delete this. Paste that in there. Oh my god, how did I just mess this up? Let me see. I actually like this first ad. I ain't gonna lie. This one I don't think is gonna do good at all. I didn't spend too much time on it anyway. So world's #1 piano lessons. I like this one. I'm just go with this and click on cancel. We're just gonna go with this one ad that we got. So from here, click on save and continue. Check your campaign. They estimate 70 clicks per day at $20 budget. And right now we can just publish it. So all right, man, that's pretty much the setup. As y'all can see how quick it is to do that. It only take a few minutes. It would have been faster if I wasn't like explaining as I was going along. But I was just basically copy and pasting everything that I already pre-built in the previous video. So now we about to let it run for a few days. And well, not a few days, for 4 days, and see if we can make a sale out of this. And yeah, hopefully we can, man. That'll be good for the challenge. Just so y'all can see that this stuff actually does work, man. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this setup video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I drop these day 1 through day 4 results. And I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can watch the whole playlist. So if you didn't get a chance to watch all these other previous videos, you can do so by clicking the link in the description of this video. But that's all I got for this one, and I will see y'all in the next video.